¿Desde cuándo? Bro, how did this
Alright,
bum ass nigga beat me and score, son? I'm out here 4-0 and this bum ass 3-2 motherfucker beat me and score. Like, you
hold
wildin'.
up, I gotta take my sister to grandma.
Nigga Bob 2-0, ¿desde cuándo? Jesucristo, ayuda, ayúdame. Oh man. So yeah, Bob, you know, tell I'll be there. Yeah. Tell her to stay there. You think it's a joke, but when I'm your brother-in-law. Yeah, the new map! Yeah!
No, no map.
Nigga, you don't know none of the maps. What the Every map's a new map to you. Oh my god.
I got back.
The new map, Jeffrey, is the new map.
Oh, let's go.
Niggas all here. We ready? Are we ready? We ready like confetti, yeah, yeah. We ready
In
like
this
confetti.
map, you could practically blow anything up, any walls. So watch yourself.
Okay.
Sledge and fucking Ash is like at home in this map. And that new nigga too, blowing shit up.
Capito? Nah, not really. He's more of a clearing out areas type shit. Yeah.
So Sledge, fucking Ash.
I don't really use Jaeger like that, but I'm gonna see if how good the spawn traps are with him right now.
This nigga Jerry uses that nigga to the max.
I know. I gotta go cover all my oh wait, hold up. Me.
There's no point in doing that. There's no point in covering walls. They could blow everything up.
Oh shit, we got weed in here?
That's what Sean said.
Yo, put some bar wires up on this bitch.
I have none.
Whoever has a shotty, break that out. We need that space. We need to get the fuck out of
Which
here.
one?
The hatchet in the middle of the room by the fucking thingy.
Eh? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. See if you can spot them, so we can know where they're coming from.
Oh, hold on.
I'm gonna go on cams too.
Not on the first cam.
I don't know where they at.
Not on the
And
second nor
Valkyrie
the
got
third cam.
Valkyrie got caca cameras up. Like
Yeah,
the first two are like dumb cameras. They're shitty. Yeah, I'm not.
They're
really
crawling
trying-
upstairs. They're going upstairs. They're going upstairs. They're gonna attack from up here. Yep, they're attacking from up here. This is the first room they're attacking from, Jeff. And they got a drone in here.
I know. That's why I left the room.
I died.
Yeah, cause you should have left the room after Sean said everybody come into that room.
I'm trying to find my way.
They came through my side. Fuse called me. I killed Thermite.
Alright.
I sprayed the shit out. Once I heard him break that shit, I went up to that nigga and I sprayed the shit out of him. Good shit. Huh?
There's
Alright,
a bird.
hold up.
Telling you, man, this fucking map is Roman. Oh, I love it. I got fucking Valkyrie roaming now. Damn it, I should have never done this. Yes, dog, stay outside. Nigga, bring him to me, I oughta clap you. Oh man, Jeff, this map is gonna be gorgeous. Hopefully the same shit don't happen to me. Ha! Buck is gonna be useful as shit for this map too. That nigga's destructive ass shotty we got now. Jeff, pick a character. Go Thermite. Thermite. And nope, no character. Thermite. Oh, he clutch. Nigga, Jeff clutch. Thermite. I heard. Clutch it. Said you had like 2 seconds left, bro.
I saw that shit at 2 and I just like rushed that shit.
Oh. Damn, you know what's even sadder, bro? You instinctively knew exactly where Thermite was, that you could get it in 2 seconds, bro. You gotta choose new characters.
Yeah, you just press down and go to the right.
Man.
Locate the biohazard container.
Yeah, baby. Alright,
It's gonna be hard finding that container. I don't know this fucking map.
No, it's easy. It's just like 2-3 buildings, basically. I'll find it then.
I hear them already.
Oh, they're upstairs. I think they got the same room we did. And they're putting up mutes. Yeah, they got the same room we did. They got the exact same room we did.
Bob, you got too close to the mute thingy, didn't you?
Oh no, my screen is all blurry.
Yeah, because you got too close to him.
Close to who?
They got Valkyrie. And she's coming after my drone.
Location of biohazard container.
Yo, hold up. Jeff, we know where this camera's at.
Yeah, Valkyrie's coming for us. They coming for us. I want to shit on them real quick.
Fuck them. I want this camera.
I know exactly where they are. They'll be here. Come back outside.
No,
Let me see what I do to you. I'm not talking to her. I'm talking about Valkyrie. She came outside. And Frost. Come. What happened? Y'all saw me and got scared.
Hold on, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna go see if I can get a fucking drone on the other side in case they try to do
I'm
that shit.
gonna
we
shoot
did to
through
them.
the thing to scare them.
I'm gonna get a drone on the other side so that I could prevent them from doing what I did to them. Bob, don't go for it. Jeff, you got this, nigga?
Oh, you want me to get him?
Yeah, can you get him?
I killed him.
Wow.
I landed on him. I didn't know that was gonna kill him.
Biohazard.
Bob, no, you stupid shit! Get the fuck off the ground, nigga!
Hey, it came from the window.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all get over my fucking position. Thank you.
Yo, Bob, there's gonna be this drone that I left looking at a pink wall. I need you to watch that. You know which one I'm talking about?
Nobody there.
Alright, watch it and let me know when somebody does go over there. Alright, Jeff, we got our work kind of cut out for us a little bit over here.
I made a giant hole over there and I can't see shit.
Yep.
I just saw someone running through.
Valkyrie.
Oh, from what? Wow. The sensor came outside. I can't believe I missed. Not to change to the other nigga.
Bob, watch that camera.
Nobody's coming.
Watch it. The Tenska's outside on me. Oh, he went back inside.
I'm Gaga.
Watch it, I heard it.
Op 4 last stop standing.
1v1.
Yes!
Good
Come here,
shit.
bitch! Get that! Ah! Get that!
He crushed it.
Ah! Ah! I clutch enough. I clutch enough, Jeff. I clutch enough. Yes, I
Ace the
am.
team.
No, I quadded the team. I was 1 kill away from an ace. That's the one that fucking Bob got, I think. That bastard.
No one got it. You aced the team.
Oh, cause they
No
only
one
had
else
4
got it.
players.
Yeah.
Oh, I scraped these bitches. Fuck, but I only count a fucking ace as a 5 people thing. Damn. We'll see. I don't know. Shit's still going on YouTube though. Subscribers, you know, subscribe and like the video, man. Bruh. I was panicky. I got a shit bucket with me right now, so you know I'm fiending.
I missed
Subscribe
my
and
shot.
just like the video, man. Just subscribe and like the
I
video.
should have
Yeah,
killed this nigga.
my shots are not on point, but you know, nigga got the job done. Subscribe and like the video. You know, I'm just fuck with y'all.
I
Do
killed
whatever
our
the fuck you
teammate by
want.
mistake. I landed on him. I didn't know that was gonna kill him.
Oh, that's how you killed him?
Yeah, I landed on him. Cause it was like a little drop, so I
Oh,
dropped
that's
down. I
ridiculous.
landed on his feet, and I killed him by mistake.
Wow, now it's a
Those are-
fucking 5v3. This is too easy. You guys are welcome for me. For me being here, you're welcome. I am the team. Yes, I am. Nah, fuck with y'all. Let's get this right here. Stop him.
I've
in
been
that.
spotted where? How the fuck I not kill that drone?
10 seconds to insertion.
They're probably coming from on top. Wow. Yeah, I saw
Down
them.
5 seconds. Op 4 hasn't found the biohazard container. The new potential located during the
Good
assault.
shit.
They got a few drones in here.
How fuck you got upstairs?
There's stairs.
It's a whole new
Take-
map, Bob. This shit is just like very, very difficult to understand point blank. God damn, all these fucking walls are breachable. There's literally no fucking point in
Exactly.
reinforcing.
That's what I said.
Hold on, I'm a fucking go. Oh, I think I just saw one. Jeffrey, they're gonna come from behind Bob, Bob, use your pulse and aim it that way.
You
What
can find
fucking...
them, Mama. Let's hurry up.
Oh shit, there's a nigga on the stairs. He killed me.
Where? Down or up?
Down.
Op 4 has spotted the biohazard container.
What? Thermite's downstairs. I headshot at him with my shotty, but he didn't die.
Oh, they got a fucking shock drone.
I should have killed that motherfucker.
Oh, you saw Sledge?
Nah, Thermite's downstairs. Well, no,
Yeah,
he
he's
was.
hiding. He's still there. He's by the laundry.
He's camping on the laundromat.
Yeah.
Behind the counter. But that's what he might have moved, I don't know.
The shit.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, carry.